Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JVC Nearphones with your Android device. So to do this, you have to just open the charging case and you have to remove the left and the right earbud. You will hear this power on voice notification, so it means that they are actually turned on. And also on this place, right here and right here, we can find small indicators, and they will be in the pairing mode automatically. So we just have to keep them out of this charging case. We have to open the Bluetooth settings, and from the list we have to select JVC Nearphones. Accept the pairing, and as you can see right now, it's finished. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.